Okay, now we have reached the funniest part of this tutorial. Now, how are we going to structure or lay out our questions? Let's take this question, copy this, copy here. We in our code, we're gonna put something like this. Of course, maybe we could put something like bold. Maybe to get bold, I don't know. Maybe it does accept XML layouts. I hope so. Oops, no, they're not allowed inside our code. So how can I change the structure of this code? Now, Google is your friend. Change color text view. Sorry, Android. Is it possible? Color purple. Add HTML code in TextView Android. Is it possible? What is HTML in TextView? So just see this one. As you can see, it says okay, apparently we have to do it with our code. So the only way to do it, so we can't add it. It's deprecated, so we need to extract it as string and then we can add it like this one. So let's just extract it then. You can see, click on this, extract screen. We're gonna call it the resource name, we're gonna call it question. Just call it question. Here the resource value, string main, okay. Okay, we saw here apparently there is some data here. Just remove this one, remove this one, save it, try that it can compile now. Perfect, it did. See the code? Now Libin is in bold. Perfect. Perfect. Now what do we have to do now? Now we have to add 3 buttons, because here we have 4 buttons or 4 questions. Just go back to our main activity, go to the design, let's look for a button. We have 4 answers. Just add 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Let's go back to our text. You can see we have 4 buttons. 1, 2, just go for consistency. Button 1, button 2, 3, and 4. 4 buttons. How does it look like? Let's view how these buttons look like. Here, of course, we have 4 buttons and each one is on top of each other. So how can we solve this problem? How can we put a button and then the button below the button? This is what we call, you need to use what we call a layout in activity. How these layouts are used? Very easy. Go to design, look for layouts. Here we are using a linear layout, easiest one, because it's in the question and then below it answer. Just drag and drop it here. As you can see, we should have a layout here. It's here, linear layout. Now if you want these buttons to be inside this layout, you have to copy this to put all the buttons inside the layout like this, and then this should be okay. Now if I run it now and look inside our application, you should see everything here. So here nothing is showing. Of course